Moving on to our next topic, buttons in Power BI. So using buttons in Power BI lets you create reports that behave like apps and thereby create an engaging environment so users can hover, click, and further interact with Power BI material. You can add buttons to reports in Power BI Desktop and in the Power BI service. When you share your reports in the Power BI service, they provide an app-like experience for your users. To create a button in Power BI Desktop, on the Insert ribbon, select Buttons and a drop-down menu appears where you can select the button you want from a collection of options, as shown in the image. Here are some key features and characteristics of buttons in Power BI. Appearance. Buttons in Power BI can be customized with various shapes, sizes, colors, and text to fit the report design. Action. Buttons can be configured to perform a variety of actions, including filtering data, navigating to a different page or report, opening a URL or file, or running a custom script. Interaction. Buttons can be clicked by users to trigger the configured action and can be used to create a more interactive and engaging report experience. Selection. Buttons can be used as a selection tool to filter or highlight specific data by configuring them with a slicer or other interactive element. Integration. Buttons can be integrated with other Power BI features and components such as bookmarks, drill-through actions, and visual interactions to create a more dynamic and customized report experience. So that's a general overview of buttons in Power BI.